Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: Itanagar Museum reflects the rich culture and diverse ethnic groups of Arunachal Pradesh, says Meghalaya Chief Minister. Meghalaya Minister Itanagar expresses hope of resolving border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya. Meghalaya Transport Minister Dasakyat Bhalamare inaugurates the higher secondary school at Maurong village in Ribhoi district. And the 6th Northeastern Green Summit launched in Silchar with a cleanliness drive in collaboration with the Silchar Municipal Board. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma, who is in Arunachal Pradesh in connection with the National People's Party conclave yesterday, visited the museum in Itanagar. Speaking to the media after visiting the museum, the Chief Minister said that he was surprised to see some of the rare artifacts being preserved in this museum. He also said that it also reflects the diverse cultures and ethnic groups that are in the state.
So these are the different tribal groups distributed distinct. So from Tawang, this Montong to this Longding, Guangzhou, different. Some are also dominated by.
Yeah, we have come here for, of course, a conclave, which is basically on the discussion on regional aspirations, yet having a national outlook. And it's a very important topic for the Northeast. So therefore we have got people from different walks of life to come in and discuss about this issue. So we're hopeful that it'll be a very, very productive conclave, and a lot of good suggestions and discussions will take place. At the same time, I'm here to visit the museum here in Itanagar. It's a really beautiful museum, really well maintained, and it is really giving a very, very clear picture of the diverse historical and cultural diversity this state has. It was really nice to see the kind of archaeological artifacts that are out here, which I never knew was there. So therefore, it's really giving a great representation of the diversity and the rich culture that Arunachal Pradesh has. And I would like to urge all tourists and citizens of our country, in fact, they should come and see this museum, because it's really a great showcase of the diversity that our great country has. Thank you.
Meghalaya Minister Itanagar has expressed hope that the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam will be resolved. Speaking to the media, Tongkhar said the regional committees of Meghalaya and Assam have undertaken the spot inspection of the border areas of the two states, and he is hopeful that the border problem will be resolved eventually.
Yakun da kajing ya trelang hi ya donlang ha kajing yalam jong ka NPP ha kajing yalam jong chief minister brom jongi te kibabon hi kibangila ya long serious hi ban shimi ki steps la teteng kilong ka andre kene sakar jongi ka klam kita ban persan wallahi don kaji penting balik persan yo sakta Republik serta rakyat Henry kepada nam tak interest juga state kini kesukar MDA jungi kamsim tangkai bandle kata te kata tom aku tidak mention kepada berupur usam tinggal sikya hadu kata but langba kini ki committee kini ki regional committees yang kita constitute ke state kini committee kala sikya baru kini committee but penlong ki jingalang bani kenduk berkibru but kamtam ya bandle ya ka site inspection jointly happening jongka Assam bat ka Meghalaya ya ka bakila conduct ka joint inspection tingi failti bakadon ka kandon ka jing seiso na kane ka initiative ya ka bala simanta ifilti bakandon be ka jing seiso ha ka ba onsala ban penbe no yo purusam la kam la banlong bangin ong 100% ndri ifilti bakan nom slam than ya ka bagin yo yo usok ka jingjok baki bobon kisnong on salak man penbet na ha ka bede be kena kicing
Meghalaya Transport Minister Dasakiat Bhalamare today inaugurated the 10+ higher secondary school at Maurong village in Ribhoi district. The opening of the higher secondary school was graced by V.S. Nongbet from the Education Department, S. Sotun MLA of constituency village elders, prominent residents and parents.
Ya kawai pegawai kecing aja konstitusi ngasu tu mata apa ke puli putih kadai kawai kebetulan kam nak keberantam kebetulan kam tam lada pijit ya kanu kebetulan nama tak kalawai ke jopiro ngai keren ya kani kam tam ya pijit kena school bat ya dikimegi pa hadu mentaru kidang don dikimegi pa baperkat ba ngingim don kam ban pa school le dikuna kidang don ngaku munong yalam mli tama kuwei kinang yalam ro nganor panang bakiro kisai kendo baki dan rei ngam keno ye gitu mei pa rei la pandan kajing kula dan kala pandan kajing perkhat perdan jak kumoi pa rei nganong ye pi ha ka generation ko mata ha ka juk ko mata la ki khon ki thi kim dan ye kajing nang jing start at least class 10 and 12 te kalong ka ba panle yang keno kam na mata kalawai ko panai hadin habot kan ma bahaya kene menta ke generation combination ko menswa bagi nang di officer lagi officer sarkar ke balai wa di pihak lagi Shillong panai pi kam government menta kajingnya kene jam nganya thui pi kalong kabala isirkai hadok kata ngidan ke state ke barit ngidan ke state ke menang duna di post haki department ki paper lagi long wakam kidan lagi lagu kidan ki belak biang kerdan kidan ki mopat biang kerdan hendrei haga jinglong haga jingman hi te utuhi bo biang kerdan kampol hi sekemat utuh haga jingman ka majak tengah balai yang kerennya kene nama ba freedom mau kumbang ka kten paren a classroom is a temple of education ka classroom kene ka yeng mani jong ka jingnang jing start pendam kam ye kene ka yeng mani jingnang jing start 3 sitom 3 minut di long pa penslur ki kon ikti pa iki sa school de ka jing sultanat pa iki sa school de ka jing kitle ka ba ki kin dan kata ka jing sultanat bandai sa lagi school nang ba kin long kita ki klur ki ban pernai na ka mata jong pi la sha ris ngi ki la he kumbai kerani banong bet mene lada long so kumno ki kena school hi don ki por bagi community i advice kani suggestion lagi kimi pala ne lagi nong ikai kata kata shispa person kata ke shisha te gadai ro ka kamram ka jongpi kum ki kimi ki pa gadai ro kamram jong ki teachers hagi school of fair ban encourage lani ban ai ka motivation ka bakhambiang lagi kena school nang ba rangkat ke jing trai sitom jongki rangkat ka man sim ka baki gidan kinla susu ban yad sakmat saprang haga jingin ka jongki.
Speaking on the occasion, the church elder R.M. Pamshnong informed that the school was started way back in 1939 and went on to reach the present status.
Tenanta nilanangyo susu kasenyang school kabagi khat mandai kasdang nadu khat khandai lai po khandai khat khandai lai khandai ni khat eka kasenyang school ba baro gani ka dongri boy ki kasenyang bat kiseng ye kata ka school bat ka dei ka school ba ningkong hari boy ta ka dei ka story henry how khat khandai san phupra nio ya ka government of our primary school nanta pa khat khanda 8000 khanriu rmsa ni yo ikene ka bindi bat hangne le ya school batu al hajar arway tetep ngalahap bandong hagajin sisa radakat ne kartabat ke metro hagajin sngau dengan simet kalon bangade bantung baji bat bansat daga jingkemen naga benta kene ke sui bat kene ke por kabang ngamut bandong balai bangade bansat kalon ngilayo ya ka medal renong Ngilayo ya ke medal lupa. Henry menta kadai ke medal kesian. Menta te kadai ke medal kesian. Kabayakane ka bang ibu yang mau ring ban pli yang mau norin kalong kador jongka ngak ban pensongdor. Palat kamtam ban iki mau kodor lan iki mau rugi. Namar kadai ka thme jong ka jinang bisa naga banta kene kithan jongi ki khat ri sinong na do na bir sha do sha umkra te kum kasinong hi baro ka wai ngatharai baro kat bangaya kendu kat banga keli karu se phibis ngau kumnoy kane ka por nai kane ka jinyo ka jingkerku ki om ladai bane sat kum om phi ladai ban kemen ndon weiru uban ngsi ban om o wan kata tela du nong hinre kadon ka jinyo nong krau.
The 6th Northeastern Green Summit will be a conclave of national importance which will be hosted by Don Bosco School Silchar and NIT Silchar jointly from 16 to 18 November 2021. Don Bosco Media Network Shillong is partnering in the summit to provide publicity at the regional, national and international levels of all the events that will take place during the conclave. A month-long awareness campaign is scheduled in this context, and the launch of the campaign commenced from today early in the morning by cleaning the city. Especially after the Durga Puja Visarjans, the road between Godhiyi Mall and the DC office gets very dirty, and so the organizers, along with 5 partner organizations, conducted a cleanliness drive as a symbolic gesture in order to launch the campaign. 5 organizations, namely the Leo Club, the Rotaract Club, the Robin Hood Army, the Eco Alarmist and the Life Every Soul Matters, along with Don Bosco School students and teachers, NCC cadets and the Silchar Municipality Board took the initiative of cleaning the entire stretch. The event started with a ceremonial inauguration where the event's convener, Mrs. Rumli Chakraborty, welcomed all participants and briefed them about the event. The director of Bosco Tech, Brother Reggie, then kept his words of wisdom, after which members from each participating group were felicitated. The event witnessed a footfall of over 200 volunteers who took to the street in the morning to stand for the common cause of a safe environment. This marks the beginning of a month-long schedule of various activities and events over digital and physical mediums until the main events days on 16, 17 and 18 of November 2021. The event ended with a vote of thanks and a request for cooperation from the summit from the side of Don Bosco School Silchar. The co-organizers of the summit and also light breakfast was served to all. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.